Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Have you ever tried to screw in a screw that's in a really difficult place and it keeps falling out on you? Well, this screwdriver right here is the solution. This is the Klein Tools K46. This screwdriver has a 6-inch shaft, and what this does is holds the screw in place to allow you to get it started, and it also grabs it so you can actually take that screw out and not lose it, especially in difficult, hard to reach places. It is a total lifesaver. So it's really simple to use. You just press forward on the black piece on the shaft of the screwdriver, and it causes those blades to overlap. So it makes them thicker at the end, and then they're able to really stick into the screw head, and so that just holds it in place. You can actually grab that screw with these and pull it out, or conversely start screwing it in. So it works super well. So we really like this for using with difficult to reach jobs, especially in motorcycles or cars, different projects like that where you're trying to get into something and you can't really see it. This is an awesome option. So definitely well made, really practical product, and that's my point of view.